Namaste students, this is Sanjay Nath. Today's session is on Fundamentals of Maps and Topographic Maps, Part 2 ICSE Standard 10. How is a topographical map is different from other conventional map? Let's have a look. There are certain features on topographical map that plays a very important role and that make it different from other topographical maps. Height. Height can be determined on topographical map using contour lines. As you can see on this topographical map, the contour lines are drawn. These are with brown color. This represents a small hill. It helps one to visualize the pattern of unevenness of the relief and the topography of the place. Another feature that plays a very important role is these topographical maps are highly detailed and they are called large scale maps. And it covers a smaller area. Because of these characteristics, topographical maps are widely accepted or in use in military also. Apart from military, it has been also used by the researchers as well as by the engineers. You can see that engineers use it for construction of bridges, roads, railways and dams. This helps the engineers to identify the terrain, the relief, the slope and all. Apart from that, geology, in botany and even in archaeology, researchers use this topographical map for identifying the location of mineral pockets or even for archaeological site and all. As you can see, there is a one very good example of a region shown with the help of a satellite image. Here, a Banas river is flowing from north to east direction. And north of Banas river, or you can say right bank of Banas river, a lot of agricultural land is there. There is settlement here. This is a bad land. And as you can see on the right bank of Banas river, there is a huge hill. Now this is what a satellite image that represents a relief as well as some features on particular picture or an image. Now if you compare with or superimpose with the topographical map of the same place, you will see same features but in different manner. This is a cartographic technique. Banas river has been drawn in such a manner that you can see sediment deposits, a riverine island, one tributary coming and meeting on the left bank, as well as you can see the relief or the hill with the help of a contour line. There are many man-made and natural features also drawn on topographical map. This is another way of representing the relief of a region with the help of shading and hatches, or what we call it contouring also. It is a combination of contour line as well as shading. You can also see a very white patch showing the path of Banas river. Now among all these three, you can see that topographical map has become very significant because it provides all the information, detailed information. That's the reason it has been used widespread in military. Now we'll talk about the title of topographical map. As you can see, the title of topographical map is 45D7 and D10 Rajasthan Gujarat region. Does it make sense? Let's have a look. If we look at this map of India, it is drawn on Bones projection. As you can see, Indian subcontinent has been marked or indexed from 28 to 97 blocks. And you can see here, the area that has been demarcated by the Britishers to map is from 60-degree longitude to 100-degree longitude east, and from 4-degree latitude north to 40-degree north latitude. Now India as such has been marked very well in terms of mapping work. Our area of interest is 45. Now 45 has been zoomed further. Now 45, the scale is 1 raised to 10 lakh and the latitudinal and longitudinal extent is 4 degree to 4 degree, means 72 to 76 degree east. 45 can be further bifurcated from 45D. Now 45D is what? 1 raised to 2,50,000, 1/4 of 45, 1 degree latitude to 1 degree longitude. Now further, 45D can be divided into 16 parts as you can see in this picture, and here 45D7 has been taken into consideration. The scale is 1 raised to 50,000, 1/4 of the previous one. And what is the span? 15 minutes latitude to 15 minutes longitude. Each block A, B, C, D, each block is of 60 minutes by 60 minutes, and within that a small block, for example of 7, 45D7 is of 15 minutes latitude by 15 minutes longitude. In this manner topo sheets have been bifurcated. Now, why they're called 1 million topo sheet? 1 million topo sheets have a span of 4-degree latitude to 4-degree longitude, and the statement is 1 inch to 16 mile. Britishers use inch scale, that's why it is 1 inch to 16 mile. The RF scale is 1 raised to 1 million, that's why the code is called 1 million topo sheet. The type is 1M topo sheet and the title is 45. It can be further subdivided, or you can say break up into 16 part, 45A to 45P. The extent is 1 degree latitude to 1 degree longitude. It's called quarter inch topo sheet. The 1 inch on the map is representing 4 mile, 1/4 of the previous scale. The RF scale is what? 1 raised to 2,50,000. And the type is quarter inch topo sheet and the title is 45D. The entire is 45D. Further, the 45D can be bifurcated. It's called 1 inch topo sheet, 45D1 to 45D16. There are a total of 16 part of this, and 1 inch representing 1 mile. And the RF scale is 1 raised to 50,000, 1/5 of the previous scale. Type is 1 inch topo sheet. An example is what? 45D10 and 45D7. These two topo sheet you are going to use in standard 10 for map work. There is a comparison between 45D7 and D10 topo sheet. Type is 1 inch map. Scale is 2 cm equal to 1 km. Contour interval minimum is 20 meter. Maximum is 100. And area covered is Northeast Gujarat. And for D10 is Northeast Gujarat in Rajasthan, Southwest Rajasthan. Thank you for watching the video.